All right, here we've got a trailer that's consigned by my neighbors. It is, the actual bed itself is 8 feet wide. Then you got your side rails. It is assembled. We have a title for it. They signed it. It's ready for whoever buys it. It's a 1986 assembled, okay? So all you got's the numbers on it somewhere. And it is 2 axles. 8-hole wheels on it. Tires look real decent. There is a little bit of rust. There's some cancerous rust in the middle right there starting, okay? A little bit right there, a little bit right here, a little bit there, salt, a little bit there, a little bit there. So you're gonna see a little bit of that starting. Still a good functional trailer. I'm gonna get you the length over here. So where the dovetail starts down at 22 feet, okay? The dovetail is it's another 32 inches. So do the math on that, and then we do have the fold down ramps. Guys, it's just a trailer, but it's got decent little tires on it. If y'all been shopping for any of these, you can't find them. It's got real decent tires all around on it, okay? You'll see some little where they bang the edges a little bit on the tie downs and things, but it's a 1986 trailer, so it's not supposed to be perfect. But you are going to buy absolute on Tractor House Auction. It does. Looks like it's got brakes on both axles. I didn't ask them if all that was working or not, but you assume they're not on an older trailer like this, but it does show brakes on both axles. Looks like they've kept the wiring up. It would appear that you'd have to put a bolt through this when you put it on your ball. So this is a very, older system. And there's the VIN number on it right there. So assembled trailer, custom made, no brand.